Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vidushi and I'm a psychiatrist. In this video, I'll be talking about human rights and mental health. Human Rights Day is observed each year on December 10. There is a link that exists between human rights and mental health. Human rights violation can have a harmful and damaging consequence on the mental health of the people. Also, people's mental health is dependent upon their ability to enjoy and exercise a range of human rights. It has long been acknowledged that extreme forms of violence and mental health violation can impact negatively on the mental health of the people. It results in increased incidences of a variety of mental health problems, including PTSD, depression, and anxiety. Discrimination can also impact negatively on the mental health. Victims of discrimination are particularly vulnerable to limitations in civil, political, economic, social, and cultural rights that make it difficult for them to integrate into society and lead a well-balanced and productive life. The negative repercussions of discrimination can deeply affect a person's dignity and self-esteem, which is detrimental to his mental health and well-being. In 2001 Irwadi tragedy, which occurred in a village in Tamil Nadu, 26 mentally ill people were burnt to death following an accidental fire in a private hospital run by a religious organization. The incident occurred because the patients were chained to cots and poles and could not escape. This resulted in an intervention by the Supreme Court to take better care of the persons with mental illness and for the protection of their rights. The Mental Health Care Act 2017 provides the necessary legislation for the protection of the rights of persons with mental illness. The rights of persons with mental illness, as mentioned in the Mental Health Care Act 2017, includes right to access mental health care, right to community living, right to protection from cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment, right to information, right to confidentiality, right to access medical records, right to make complaints for the deficiencies in the provisions as per the Act, right to equality and non-discrimination, right to legal aid, right to access medical records, right to personal communication and contacts, right to restriction on release of information in respect of mental illness. The laws for the protection of the rights of persons with mental illness are in place, but that is not enough. The protection of the rights of the persons with mental illness is the shared responsibility of the government, the society and the family. We as a society need to be more aware, more compassionate and more inclusive so that there comes a time when we no longer need laws to protect the rights of persons with mental illness.